Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a Stackman 48 pack, 8 ounce plastic deli food storage slime containers with the airtight lids, freezer safe, meal prep, stackable, leakproof, BPA free, and it is clear. So let's go ahead and unbox this and show you guys. So if you guys like slime or need to store your food, this will be a nice container. So the food doesn't get spoiled. Wow, so a box within a box again. Got this air bubble wrap, got a whole bunch of it. Go ahead and check it out. So let's give you guys a 360 view of the box. So it is by Stackman. It is trademark. Stock it up. 8 ounce deli containers and lids. It's a 48 piece count. So stackable, BPA free, airtight seal, restaurant quality, reusable, freezer safe, dishwasher safe, and then microwavable. So here's your UPC code, made in China. This is your item number. So let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 12 times 4, that's 48 pieces. So that's 48 right here. And then you got the lid that go with it. Okay. So I'm not gonna take those out, but anyway. So I'm going to open one stack only because all of them are the same. This is the 8 ounce container. Wow, it's nice. It says DC8, I guess 8 stands for 8 ounce. And then this is number 5, recycled material. And there are like 12 of them in here. Go ahead and open this lid. So these are the lids. So somehow with the lids it says 4 on there, recycle 4. And then there's a fork. I'm not sure that's a wine glass or whatever, but let's Go and then test this out. Yeah, so that's nice. Very good. So plastic, they try to ban this plastic, so we no longer is going to use plastic. Most of the restaurants going to require to use this reusable, because we're not going to throw more of this plastic back to the landfill. It is bad for our environment and cause global warming to make this kind of plastic bag in the factories. So this is good. You can keep on using it instead of throwing this to the landfill. Okay? Anyway, I'll be including a link that's going to show you in the description, and then show you guys where I get it from. So yeah, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.